Attorneys, close your eyes and think of the phone calls that your prospective clients experience. Does your intake feel like a depot or a trial prep from a new client's perspective? Before you say no, I want you to keep an open mind and get deeply curious. I recently had a podcast prep call with a legal marketing expert, and I am fired up for our upcoming podcast episode on the hidden costs of a poorly executed intake process. We swapped stories about calling law firms across the nation and experiencing their intake process that felt like a guttering deposition, clinical, factual, and rigid. Absolutely no space for the heart of the matter. Understanding why a PNC is reaching out to your firm today. What's keeping them up at 2 a.m.? What is the cost if they don't do anything about their situation? Over communicating in the first 30 seconds with the essence and the energy of, you're in the right place. Because if we can't help you, we will point you in the right direction with many of our trusted law firm colleagues, blah, 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 before you make them state their name for the record. Think about it. Ask yourself how many people wake up excited to call a law firm, maybe if they're getting a settlement check today, especially when they're unsure if they even need your services. And if you think this doesn't apply to your law firm, try calling your own intake line. Then, my invite to you is to call 5 other law firms that you admire, that you see the strong social media presence. You love everything that they're doing. It's emulating confidence, compassion-driven counsel. Everything that I hear from you all, I want to be like so-and-so. Call your 5 admirers and see how they handle intake, and ask yourself if there's room to make your process warmer, more engaging, and truly, truly, truly client-centered. And then schedule time with your intake team and get deeply curious about the powerful questions, psychology, and connection in every word in your scripts, every question asked in your intake process, and do this every single week until your intake conversions exceed your goals. And then I want to hear from you what worked.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary. Head down in the weeds.